I just quickly want to show you what's inside the actual classroom, just to show you the massive value. And I'm really proud of what I've created in here. But we have a bunch of pre-course things so you can get your mind in that right headset. So a bunch of training on pre-course, mental walkthroughs. We've got a bunch of high-level stuff. So we have a total high-level walkthrough. So if you're brand new, it's exactly how you're going to learn high-level. I've got a full 5-day automation agency launching course, which goes through about how to start and buy your domain, how to create a website, connect a domain, connect Stripe, Paywave, setting up email, and all those things exactly in there. So launch your agency in as little as 5 days if you want to start from the start. There's a bunch of stuff on high-level tutorials. It's absolutely amazing in there. And all of these things is mostly loaded just on here. So there's some bits on YouTube, but the YouTube ones only show you the basics and doesn't have the actual modules to it. But you'll see in here, voice AI systems. There's a bunch of high-level voice AI systems and automations and prompts, and then a bunch of Vapi, if you're into Vapi, how to connect Vapi to high-level, Mate.com, 11 Labs, Twilio, Synthflow, if you're into Synthflow and voice AI agents. If you don't know what they are, just go out and Google them. Retell AI, which I really love. There's so much. Every module is totally filled out with things like this. How to connect N8 into retail, how to connect retail agents to high-level. I have a absolutely amazing system where someone fills out a Facebook lead form and the AI agent calls them and sells them. It's like amazing. People just love that stuff as a business. But we have that retail. We have 11 labs how to create website chatbots. I have a bunch of Make.com automations from myself in here. I got some from Robo Nuggets, if you see their channel, some from Nick, which is really good. A bunch of my own stuff in here that all come with blueprints to straight away download as well. And then at the moment, absolutely loving N8N, total automation killer. I got so much stuff on N8N. Got a couple of Robo Nugget ones that I've worked on from their side that I've edited. Nick has given a couple of free ones that you can download, and he's got quite a lot on N8N as well. Nate's ones from his free academy, I've got those. Cheers to Nate to download and as well. Totally top guy for it. But you'll see there's just so much actual blueprints to download and just go for them. And then there's Lovable, totally into vibe coding at the moment. Bunch of it in here. You can actually get a couple of the sites pre-built out, templates that you can import if you're gonna do Lovable, how to connect Lovable to high-level, so you can get a bunch of extra automations through that. We got chatbots, we got the whole instantly email system, how to scrape emails on the maps or yellow pages and Apollo and get them in, and then how to do the outreach, creating your sub accounts. You get the unlimited sub accounts function, and we get all the website templates in here. There's just absolutely so many to choose from, right? You're ready to go straight out the box. Starting the sub account started. I have an option for my CRM sim if you want to look for it. I got the options in the teaching about how to create a good offer, how to go and find niches. I got a couple of Extendlies webinars. It was really good as well. 3-day webinars that I attended that I have in here. So you get total training value. So not only the product, a bunch of extra training in there. So really hope to see you soon for this.